स्थिती सो कितें डिस्कशन जालां कामां जाल्यार कितें जालां?
See, whatever routine meetings we have of the Public Undertaking Committee, especially with some irregularities were discussed, a lot of issues, although I can't discuss these issues as part of being the chairman, but definitely we can see the corruption today done by this double engine Sarkar. The way the common man has been looted is shocking. Definitely you will see in the days to come that this will be exposed.
Second thing is that team Nisanja Assembly तुम्ही म्हटलेले आनी वाडोवचे still you are not talking and hopeful that it will be increased or what it is BSc meeting आसा.
Definitely team, this is not only what we said, we are hopeful, but the speaker has also said that these 3 days are important days where main म्हणटा ते public आमचे प्रायवेट मेंबर्स बील जे डे आसता प्रायवेट मेंबर्स डे इज एन इम्पॉर्टंट डे फ्रायडे तांकां आमकां बील घालपाक रेजोल्युशन घालपाक एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा सिस्टमॅटिकली दीस गव्हर्मेंट हॅज curtailed these 3 days. This is nothing but a murder of democracy. Day after is the BAC meeting. I will highlight to the Honorable Speaker, we have already written it. We will highlight that this particular session is to be long. Itle issues are, people are dying, there are murders, there are rapes, there are accidents on the roads. In the last particular month, the budget was not discussed and passed. So yes, it is shocking to see the way the BJP is looting the people of Goa in the name of events. All these things requires time, and we will ask the Honorable Speaker for that the opposition gives more time, even more number of days.
Which will be the major issue for this 3-day assembly
No,
session?
definitely there are issues like crimes, murders, rapes, law and order situation. Today the sale of Goa that is happening, left, right, center, conversion. This particularly when Goa's carrying capacity is not defined. Assurances that were given to us last several months before, nothing is happening. This is only an event management Sarkar. They are spending lakhs of rupees, almost 45 lakhs per day on an event that is not responsible. People are dying, health sector has collapsed, the financial crisis, रीण जे घेवपाचो प्रयत्न आहा हे वाडत आसा, आयडीसीन स्कॅम वाडला, एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचे इश्यू आसा, बारीक लोक, इन्फ्लेशन, कदंबाचे परिस्थिती जरी तर चयल्यार, रिवर्स आर पोल्युटेड. There are so many issues, but primarily land is the issue, the sale of Goa, the way north, south, east, west. आणि आम्ही जे पड एक प्रयत्न केला की गोंय विकपाक दिवचे ना, बीजेपीक जिखपाक दिवचे ना, हो मुद्दो.
ओके सर, कोलवाळे जेलीन ड्रग्स मेळ्ळा ते बीन एक जी बायल आसा गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट ती तिजे जो थर्मास आसा तातूंत ड्रग्स मेळ्ळा हाचेर तुमी कशें
हांवें पयलींचो सांगलां दीस ड्रग्स आनी हें सगळें हेच्या पयलें थिंगा शुटिंगूय जालां, थिंगा लायव्ह एक्टिंगूय जालां. हें सगळें जरी तर चयल्यार दीस ड्रग्स मेनन्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम prisons, it has reached in houses, it has reached in school. The government has failed completely. Chief Minister has failed to keep the law and order. Goa today is known as the drug capital. And as of Parinam, without police, without concerned minister, it cannot happen. So there is a connivance. हे सगळे hand in glove आसा. हे 3-4 म्हयने पडुल्ले त्या सरकाराक फकत लुटपाक जाय. आतां लुटीत आसा, हे लूट मार सरकार. And yet drugs and all this today, this is a curse. And this government is responsible for spreading this. Without the government and the police being involved, these things cannot happen. And this needs to be looked very strictly. Deaths, जे पड आमचे institute जाता, बिर्ला, हिंगाय जे पड institute आसा, थिंगाय the way people are dying, it is all connected to drugs. This drug culture first was only on the belts. 4 वर्सां आधी, you take out my first speech. In that speech, I had spoken during home departmentचे demands की हे drugs आज जे बीजीचेर पावता ते आख्खे villagesात पावता, इस्कॉलांत पावता, and that things have come through because we have the worst conviction rate. तो आज जे पड हे माफिया आसा, हे माफिया सगळे जाणे की ड्रग्स तुवें दिले की गोवा में सब बिकता, सब चलता. कित्याक सरकाराक पडोंक ना, कन्विक्शन रेट इज द लिस्ट they are all hand in glove. This is basically spoiling the future of our state. आमचे भुरग्यांनी नशा मुक्त भारत मुखेलमंत्री एक सायडीन हें करता आनी इतली नशा जेलींतूच जाता आनी तेगेलो ऑफिसरूय घेता. हें सर्क्युलर जेन्ना आमचे एकलो नेल्सन आल्बुकेर म्हणून आसलो रिटायर्ड SP आसा तेणें सर्क्युलर बरयल्लो की बॅरेक्सांत जे गांजा घेताय पुलिसूय गांजा घेताय आनी उरलं कितें पुलीस जेन्ना गांजा घेताय विथीन द विसिनिटी ऑफ द पुलीस स्टेशन वॉट एल्स इज लेफ्ट
able to see.
you will see now whatever is to be seen, so you all will see, then you all can comment about what is seen.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.